All right, so we're doing AP research by seeing. We're looking to see the pH of the whatever the pond is. Holy.
The irrigation pond.
Yep. Depending on the weather. So. Oh, I emptied the other one. Dude, that's actually perfect. Why are you getting so close to me? Bro.
We got an over-the-shoulder view.
Okay.
How many drips are you doing?
5.
Oh. Oh.
Wait, that's actually good. What's the weather? That's like sunny, right?
Oh yeah.
50, sunny, and clear skies.
Clouds.
Not a cloud inside.
I see a cloud right over there.
How much wind is today? That's not what I meant. But hold on. Speed. So this is my data. 6.5 ppm for our pH, which is healthy-ish. Yeah.
Oh yeah, we made it back. Dance to get in. You too.